Hi everyone, this is my dog DJ, and that's her daughter Clyde. Come on, Clyde. DJ. Oh, Ase. Hi. Hi, Ase. Happy evening. Sana, yan birds ni Bibi. Yung birds ni Bibili. Yahang lovebird. And this is my other dog, Chucky. This is my other dog, Chucky. Hi, Chuck. And Maxi. Kasi gawas ko pakita ka doon school. Morning school ni Mama. Bird Angel. And this is Monmon's fish pond. And this is Monmon's chicken. That is Chloe the Great. Chloe! Come on, Chloe! That's Chloe the Great. Balik ka ning. Ay! Ay! Nako.